Drone enthusiasts, get ready. Something incredible has just landed in the world of aerial tech. The DJI Avata 360 has finally appeared in leaks, and it's everything insiders hinted at and more. Its design is a striking balance of familiarity and futuristic style, compact yet commanding. The drone shares a similar size with the Avata 2 but introduces a flatter, sleeker frame and 4-blade propellers that give it a Neo 2-inspired aesthetic. The accessories are equally stylish. The Fly More combo now comes in coordinated colors with the controller, making your setup as Instagram-ready as your footage. The package includes a 3-battery charging hub with elegant rounded edges, a camera protector, and the new RC2 controller, compatible with DJI's 04 transmission tech. Manuals are included, which might seem minor but is always appreciated. When it comes to flying, the Avata 360 is impressively versatile. FPV mode keeps the front lens active while maintaining a wide field of view, leaving the rear lens inactive. Its advanced propeller guards mirror the Neo 2 design, ensuring the lenses are well protected. You can choose between stabilized FPV mode for smooth cinematic shots, manual FPV mode for daredevil maneuvers, or the full 360 degrees mode, which cleverly positions two spherical lenses, up and down, capturing 180 degrees each in 4K. But here's the game changer. AI stitches the footage into 8K, letting creators reach cinematic heights previously reserved for high-end studios. Panoramic shots hit up to 120 megapixels, while 8K video runs at 50 frames per second. FPV mode alone can deliver 5K at 60 frames per second, a serious treat for drone photographers and filmmakers. Pricing, according to leaks from the Chinese market, is surprisingly approachable. A basic setup with one battery comes in around $450, while a version with the RC2 controller and one battery is roughly $700 globally. The Fly More combo, including 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a bag, sits at about $1,000 worldwide. For FPV enthusiasts, a combo including the N3 goggles, motion controller, and accessories also lands near $1,000. DJI has even packed in gesture and voice controls, Wi-Fi capabilities, and possibly Apple Watch control, signaling how smart drones are becoming. Performance is where the Avata 360 really shines. Utilizing DJI4 Plus transmission, it promises a 20 km range with ultra-low latency, stability for high-speed FPV flights, and roughly 25 minutes of battery life, slightly better than the Avata 2. It weighs around 400 grams, and storage has been bumped to 128 gigabytes, expandable via SD card. A word of caution for creators: editing 8K 360 degrees footage is demanding. You'll need experience, a powerful computer, and patience, but the payoff is cinematic quality that could redefine your creative workflow. The drone seems poised to appeal to both FPV lovers and 360 degrees content creators. For those chasing the thrill of immersive FPV flights or wanting to create jaw-dropping social media content, the Avata 360 is shaping up to be a strong contender. Meanwhile, the market has already seen a new type of drone emerge, the anti-gravity one, which has taken the internet by storm. Unlike traditional drones, the one is designed as a flying 360 degrees camera. Instead of worrying about framing or camera angles, pilots can simply fly, capturing everything around them. Later, in post-production, angles can be chosen in any direction, forward, backward, sideways, even toward the pilot, so you never miss a moment. This freedom is why many creators call it a cheat code. The one isn't just impressive for its specs. Pilots describe flying it as liberating, almost like exploring rather than operating a machine. Beginners benefit from its self-stabilizing design, while FPV experts are amazed at the cinematic-style visuals it can capture without advanced skills. Travel vloggers love that a single flight delivers both horizontal and vertical shots, perfectly framed in editing. Reactions online highlight genuine surprise at how such a small drone can deliver footage that feels fresh and different, signaling a shift toward drones that prioritize creative freedom over piloting precision. DJI is not standing still, though. The leaks surrounding the Avata 360 show the company is preparing a serious response. Interestingly, the two drones seem to reflect opposite philosophies. The one focuses on 360 degrees camera functionality that flies effortlessly, giving smooth automatic footage. The Avata 360, meanwhile, emphasizes speed, control, and traditional FPV energy, while adding 360 degrees capabilities. This distinction suggests the DJI drone will appeal to those who enjoy manual control and dynamic action shots, whereas the One will attract creators seeking calm, effortless, fully immersive footage. Battery life remains a consideration, especially for the One, and editing 8K 360 degrees footage demands heavy computing power, occasionally producing minor stitching imperfections. Still, the One represents a generational shift, opening the door to new ways of capturing moments with freedom and flexibility. DJI's Avata 360 may follow closely, combining the One's creative potential with DJI's legendary flight stability, possibly transforming the drone landscape in ways few anticipated. For now, these two drones offer distinct experiences, one prioritizing pure creative freedom, the other focusing on speed, control, and FPV excitement. The choice comes down to your personal style, but either way, drone filmmaking is entering a thrilling new era. If you want unparalleled creative freedom and effortless 360 degrees capture, the One feels like the perfect choice. If speed, manual control, and classic FPV thrills matter more, the DJI Avata 360 might be worth the wait. Whatever your preference, it's clear that the future of drones is more immersive, more cinematic, and more exciting than ever before.